Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating my very first set of Polygel, and I also have a slideshow of the progress I've made from my first set all the way to the set I did in this past Monday's video. So after I finish cutting the length of my tips, I'm going to let you guys watch that. I just want to give a disclaimer that I'm really bad at taking nail pictures. Like, I always forget to, so in some of the videos and pictures, the background's not ideal just because I took it for the sake of taking a picture and not forgetting. So I'm gonna let you guys watch this. So once again, here's that first video. This is what I'm recreating. I'm using the Model 1 Soft Pink Polygel, and I'm doing the 2-bead method on all my nails because they are all fully covered in one color. That was the only thing I was really capable of doing, and the only design I was able to do was just a glitter top coat. So I'm going to be recreating these, not perfectly though, so they will be similar but not identical. I'm going to be jazzing them up in the way that I would do my nails today. So it's very much inspired and very similar, but I feel like just using a glitter top coat won't really represent the skills that I've developed. I thought it was fitting to talk about my nail journey a little bit since I showed you the progress I made. So I'm not going to be going too deep into it because in tomorrow's video, which is a Q&A, spoiler alert, I'm going to be talking more about it, but I do want to touch on it a little bit. So I love nails ever since I was a young teenager. I used to have a really big nail collection, and I would paint my nails and change them like every 3 or 4 days. So I've always loved nails. At one point I did kind of stop, but then a few years later I started getting back into it and getting my nails done at the salon. I would get really simple salon nails, and then I kind of fell off of that as well. And then towards the end of 2018 I bought my first gel polish kit, so it came with the lamp and gel polishes and the whole nine, and I was starting to give myself gel manicures. I started wanting more length, so I went into dip powder. But then at some point that wasn't doing enough for me, so I moved into polygel, and I bought my very first polygel kit the end of 2019. Really quick, I'm just using this Model 1's Tiffany's pink glitter polygel. That was really hard to say. I would practice quite a bit, and I did really short sets. I always had nails on, and March of 2020 happened. I'm not going to say any more than that. And I started doing even longer nails, which made me more interested in it because it was something different. And that is when my skills really started to improve. And I did that for a while since I was home all the time. And then I started my YouTube around August. I've always wanted to start a YouTube channel. I was kind of finally passionate enough about something to where I felt confident in sharing it. And it's been a blast so far. So that's all I'm gonna say about my nail journey, because there are some specific questions that I'm going to be answering in tomorrow's video, so make sure you check that out. So this is what the nails ended up looking like. I'm getting ready to file, so I just have my dust collector here, an 80/80 grit hand file so that I can reshape the nails. I'm just going to be filing the sides to get more of a tapered square coffin shape. Now I'm using my Kira Sky Fine safety drill bit, and I'm going to be using this at 8,000 RPMs to file up the nails. I like to go around the cuticle first and then use up and down motions to debulk the nail and side to side motions to smooth out the nail. Moving on, now it's time to buff up the nails to remove any scratches, and then I'm going to dust it off with my dust brush and begin jazzing them up. I'm going to use my Model 1's nail art glue, my nail art glue brush, and some really pretty rainbow and clear rhinestones. I also have this package of really fancy rhinestones with different shapes and stuff, so I'll be using that. I'm just going to let you guys watch me figure out this rhinestone placement as I go. I love the way that the rhinestones turned out. Now I'm just going to go ahead and top coat the rest of the nails. Giving the nails a final cleaning, and then I'm going to put some cuticle oil on for my crusty cuticles. So here is a final look. They look so pretty, so beautiful, definitely very upgraded from that first set. Here they are side by side so you can see the difference. I really love the way that these turned out, especially that rhinestone placement. Love it. This was really fun to do. That's all that I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.